let me tell you, today was the first time that we are all together as Gasu, and it was very exciting, and also it was a great experience because we are here coming from different countries, united against sport, meaning sport is something that unites all the countries. So we had a great day, we had fun, and also South Africa won. It was a great game. The game was smooth, and also it was very challenging game. But South Africa won, and then we are also planning on supporting all the African sports, on all the African teams when it comes to afcon. So we're gonna be visiting all the countries if we manage to, and also can go to the next destination. We want to launch this thing. We want it to happen also in Johannesburg, in Cape Town, and all over South Africa, and also move to other African countries. But now we are Gasu, South Africa. So we're gonna see it next time in Morocco, where we're gonna be also supporting other African countries.